Your limitation, it's only your imagination. Push yourself because no one else is going. You do it for you. Something later become never. Do it now. Great things never come from comfort zone. Dream it, wish it, do it. Success does not just find you. You have to go out and get it. The harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. Dream bigger, do bigger. Don't stop when you are tired. Stop when you are done. Wake up with determination. Go to bed with satisfaction. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. Little things makes big days. It's going to be hard, but hard does not mean impossible. Don't wait for opportunity, create it. The key to success is to focus on goal, not obstacle. Dream it, believe it, build it.